Welcome to the greytHR how-to video series. In this video, we will talk about how to view and download overtime register from your greytHR account. The greytHR overtime module automates the calculation and payment of overtime hours worked by employees and ensures compliance with labor laws. It offers time tracking, approval workflows, and payroll integration for efficient HR management. In this video, we will determine how to view and download the overtime register for your employees and reprocess the overtime payments. Let's take a look into this feature in detail. Navigate to the payroll module. Under the payroll input section, click on overtime register. Please note that you need to log the payroll to view the overtime hours data on this page. So let's navigate to the payroll overview and page and log the payroll by clicking here. Click confirm. Let's come back to the overtime register page and select the payroll months to view the details. The page displays the complete information related to overtime, such as the total number of overtime hours done for the selected month, total overtime hours paid, and the total number of arrears and reversals. You can also view the list of employees who have done overtime, and the types of overtime like regular, arrear, or reversal. In case there are salary revisions, you can reprocess the overtime payout. You can also download the overtime register for sharing it with government bodies for statutory purposes. Click on the link in the description to know more about the various types of overtime. The table here displays the list of employees with details such as gender, total OT days, total OT hours, total OT earnings, and details. Click on the download icon to download the details in Excel format. You can also download individual employee overtime details by clicking here. Now let's see how to reprocess the overtime payments for your employees. Overtime reprocessing is a smooth automated process. This option will be enabled only when there is a change in overtime payout rates or salary revisions. Please note that in such a case, the system will alert the admin with the following error message: wages have changed for the employees. Reprocess again. Download report. After which you need to download the error report containing the information of the employees who are affected by the wage rate change, and reprocess the overtime payout as per the new calculation by clicking OT reprocess. I hope this video has given you enough information to determine the overtime activities of your employees. Click on the description below to know more about the various types of overtime. With that, we come to an end. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel to get updates about our upcoming videos.